guys, good morning and happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am beyond super excited to bring you guys a brand new cleaning video because I know it has been some time since I last uploaded, but I am excited to get back to uploading weekly. Today's video is just going to be cleaning the areas that I like to have clean on a Monday morning. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. You're trying your feelings and calling up for air. I see through you. So if you've been on my channel for quite some time, you guys know that if I don't have the kitchen clean, my home doesn't feel clean. And so this is definitely one of the areas that I love to have clean on a Monday. I feel like it kind of just sets the tone for the week for me. And yeah, so I know it's been a while since I last posted. I don't recall if I've mentioned this, but I have been in school this past year. On top of that, I did start my vlog channel. And on top of that, I do work full-time outside of YouTube. So I kind of just got really busy. And as you guys know, creating a cleaning video, even if it takes me about 2 to 3 hours to clean, whenever I'm filming, it does take about double the amount of that time. And so it was just kind of hard to kind of squeeze cleaning videos into my schedule, but I am graduating here soon. So I finally have that availability to upload onto my vlog channel as well as my cleaning channel, and I'm super excited for it. So yeah, definitely say hi in the comments. I hope everybody is doing well. I know a lot of my viewers on my cleaning channel have commented on my vlog channel, so I appreciate you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys keeping in touch with me. But yeah, I hope everybody is having a wonderful Monday and a great start to the week. Everywhere you go, everyone you love. entryway. This server, we actually moved it from our dining room. We moved it into the entryway because we set up a cute little town for Christmas, and I don't believe I uploaded any Christmas content on my cleaning channel, but I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture here so you guys can see. And I actually ended up just loving how the server looked in the entryway, and I found the perfect mirror to put above it. I think whenever I find the perfect entryway table, then I'll go ahead and move the server back into the dining area. But let me know what you guys think, if it looks okay here. Should I move it back into the dining area or just leave it here until we find the perfect entryway table?
You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. Oh, if I could. Nobody's like you. You are not normal at all. No, I feel like I want to let down my guard and just fall. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter.
So to mop the floors, I am going to be adding this Glamorous Wash. This is the Tyler laundry detergent and the scent High Maintenance. I swear by this scent. Anytime I add it to my mop water, it just makes the home smell so luxurious. Even the bedding, your clothing, it just has such a luxury scent to it. And I also got the room spray for it, and I just absolutely love how it smells. If you guys have tried it, definitely let me know. And if you haven't, I highly recommend it. It is a little on the pricey side in my opinion, so that's why I always grab the little jug of it.
Nobody's like us. When people see us, they know. I feel so much for you that I don't know what to do. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down?
are moving into the guest bedroom slash office, you guys know that a lot of times this room just turns into kind of like a small storage unit for me, and it gets really messy. But I have been trying my best to keep it clean. I do take my meetings in here, so on my desk area, there's a lot of times where I eat in here, I have my coffee in here, so the little desk area just gets kind of dusty, messy. There's crumbs, there's the little rings of the coffee cup on here. So we're just going to tidy it up because I love waking up on Monday morning, clocking in, and starting off with a clean workspace.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need the better version of you. Oh, I need the better you. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that
Alright, you guys, so that is all for today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of it or some relaxation. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I cannot wait to start uploading weekly, bringing some new cleaning content. And yeah, until my next one, I will see you all in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I